Imagine waking up, checking your phone and seeing $100, $250 or even $500 in sales, all while you were sleeping. And the crazy part, you don't need huge audience, you don't need an inventory, you don't need tech skills, and it's not too late even if you're in 40s. You just need one digital product. Sounds too good to be true? Stick with me, because in this video I will show you exactly the steps you need to do in order to create one digital product and start making $100 a day, even if you haven't sold anything online before. The first step obviously is to choose a right digital product. So let's talk about what to sell. Most people overcomplicate this, but I will give you statistics that will make you think. Digital product market is set to be $330 billion in 2026. And guess what? You just need a small, tiny portion of it in order to make some serious money online. Simple digital products that currently sells like crazy are ebooks, which you can make your own using AI or write your own, or you can buy one on the PLR sites, which I will talk about later, so stick to it, stick to the video. The other type is printable templates you can sell, like printable journals, printable wedding cards, printable checklists and similar. Then checklists and workbooks like weight loss checklist or journal or similar. And mini courses. Mini courses like 10 videos about a topic which solves a specific problems. The idea is that this digital product needs to solve only one very specific problem. So don't say how to lose weight. How to lose weight, so don't target like a broad audience and say how to declutter your house, but rather target how to declutter your house in 7 days by throwing away stuff you don't need. But what if you don't have a skill or an idea for what product to create? Don't worry, I'll show you in just a minute how to create your digital product in under 10 minutes or use somebody else's. Most people get stuck here. They think they lack the skills or they don't know anything that somebody would sell. Even if you are in your 40s, you have one advantage. You have experience, a life experience. And that life experience is certainly having a lot of things you encountered in your life, and you can talk about it and sell it. But let me show you how you can have a sellable digital product in under 10 minutes. Here is how. Method 1 is to use AI-generated content or ebooks. Ebooks are selling like crazy because it's a simple, downloadable thing that solves one problem, and people are really happy after that and can give you reviews, and it sells like crazy. So you can use ChatGPT or Claude AI and say, give me 10 ideas in your niche. Your niche is like a weight loss or a financial niche or whatever. I saw a girl selling digital ebook about how to get a USA visa for people from South America. So specific problem that she had when she came to America, she's solving that by writing an ebook with the help of AI, but be careful to fact check because these specific ebooks needs to have facts straight. When you get the content, you can use Canva for free or buy a pro one, and you just paste it in one of the ebook templates in Canva, which you can see on the screen. The second method is to use somebody else's product. You can go to plr.me or plrdatabase.com, which I will link in the description, and you can buy private label rights to already written courses, ebooks, and other material which you can sell as your own. You can even repurpose it or re-edit, add your own branding and stuff like that. It's a cheap way not to create a product. You just take somebody else's as a first step. And for planners, workbooks, cheat sheets, and similar, you can use Canva templates. You get a Canva templates for example, for weight loss journal and you adjust it, change the colors and everything, and download it as PDF and put it on one of the platforms I will mention afterwards. Okay, so you now have a product. How do you price it and where do you put it so people can buy it? That's what I'm covering next. Opposite of a popular belief, you don't need a website to sell your product. You can use platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or Payhip. Lemon Squeezy, Stand Store, they help you list and sell your products very easily and very fast. The tip here is to price your product between $7 and $27, which is a sweet spot, especially in the beginning. Then you can price it more. One of the things you need to do later is to add some kind of an upsell to your product. For example, you have like a 7-day challenge or a workbook, and then the upsell is a cheat sheet or a journal for that workbook, so they can track their progress. So you have a product, you listed it on the marketplace. How do you get people to buy that product? Let me cover that now. Here is how to spend no money and get sales organically. Create content. You can create Instagram Reels, TikToks, or YouTube Shorts, which are small 13 to 90 seconds videos. You can create in your niche to solve some tips, to give some tips to add value, free value as much as you can and build an audience, and then gently nudge them that you have a product they can buy, for example, get results quick. So this is strategy number 1. Strategy number 2, you can use Facebook groups where you can also post content in a textual or images, sell through there. And the strategy number 3 is use Pinterest. Pinterest is a visual search engine, so you need to create visual content that is eye-catching and pin every day about your niche, also solving problems and giving free value. And that is the way where you can put a link on those images and or idea pins, and you can send traffic to your sales page. Want to boost your sales? You can offer something for free. So if you buy this product, I will get you this other thing, which is actually $97, but you will get it for free today. Call it a bonus or something that is incentivizing people to get your product. And this is actually it. Yes, this is as simple as it can get. You now have a framework to earn and start earning $100 a day. This is not a rich quick scheme. You need to work, you need to spend time researching, sharing your content, sharing your message, building your audience, but those $100, $500, or even $1,000 days will come eventually, especially if you are very good in solving very specific problems in your niche. You don't need to be an expert. You don't need to have a lot of time. You don't need an audience. You just need to start and take one small action each day, which leads to a snowball effect in the future. Now go and make that money and tell me in the comments below what product you have in mind to create.